Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan Depaul here. So in this video, what we're going to be going over is Nowsite and how to get started with Nowsite marketing and what to do first. Basically, the onboarding for Nowsite marketing when it comes to getting started, where you should start and what you should do. So we know when you first start, you actually create your the AI will create your landing page and your retargeting ad and everything for you. Just all based off the information that you give it when you first sign up or create a account with Nowsite Marketing. So I'm going to show you after you do that what's to do next, because I know sometimes it still can be a little bit overwhelming when you don't know what to do. But here's the thing: don't fear. Nowsite actually has taken care of you. They have gave you some great little notes and everything that you can follow, that you can do to stay on track with your marketing of your business, your brand, or whatever you're marketing online with the Nowsite all-in-one online marketing platform. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about, and I'm not going to do everything step by step. I'm just going to show you how you can find it yourself so you can go through it and experience how easy this onboarding is for Nowsite. So you don't get overwhelmed and just like, hey, because we know that a confused mind will do nothing. So we don't want you to get confused. That's why you actually signed up for this platform, because you want the simplicity of marketing online without the headache and the big bucks that comes into play when it comes to like an online marketing agency or something like that. So what we're going to do is go down here. Right now you see me on my Nowsite back office. This is my account. You're going to go down to this little section over here where the little bell is. This will be different because I'm already logged into my account. I've been established, but for you, it might pop up like little icons. You'll see like these little things right here. It actually tells you what each feature is that's in the back office. So like I can go right here. It shows me the analytics. Tells you a little short blurb of what the analytics is, what it does. Next, we'll go down. And like I said, I'm not going to go through each one. I'm just going to show you guys. So this right here, you're going to come down to here, and this little bell, the little yellow numbers, it actually will show you how and what to do, like each little thing, and it'll go on board. I haven't went through none of this because I actually know all this stuff, but I'm going to show you guys a few things. So I take that back. I lied. I went through a few of them just to check it out. So this right here, activate and deactivate AI. Review your website. It's always nice. Let's see what happens to that one. So see, if I click on this, it says let's open your website in the website builder. A nice little walkthrough, and it helps you out. Click on that. It's going to take us to our websites. Actually, yes, these are my websites. So click here. See, it says right here, it's actually giving me an explanation, a walkthrough of each thing. It's telling me what to do. So it will tell you what to do. So it says click here to edit. I want to edit this. It tells you right here, it gives you an explanation of each thing. So you will not get lost. It's very detailed, guys. I love this step-by-step platform. It actually helps you with this training on this, and just helps you, walks you through the other way so you don't get lost. If you do, I'm going to show you what you can do too if you ever do get lost, or just like, hey, I still don't get it. I don't understand it. Don't worry. We got you covered on that one too. All right. So you see it says switch on AI. I can go through the whole step. I'm just going to do one section. Then click on pencil. It says right here. Okay. Editor. This is where you edit your website. You can drag and drop individual sections. Section types to insert them into your website. Next. Click back. It just tells you. Website settings. Here you are. You can change your website URL name and it goes on there. So it's each step. I'm not going to read each thing because I don't want to sit here and walk you through it and not let you experience the experience yourself and actually do it, so you actually understand how to do it, because you know a lot of things are visual, but a lot of people are actually hands-on. So if you can do it yourself and experience it hands-on, you will have a more, I guess, the tendency to retain it and be familiar with it and do it yourself. So next, see, industry, like I said, it just goes through each step into each category. And I love it. It's actually very nice. So I mean, I can go through like all of them. I'm going to go through all of them, each one. Keywords. You can actually preview. Pull this down. Preview your website. So boom, awesome. If I want to preview it, boom, it pulls it up. Takes a little time. Got a lot of stuff working in the background. But this is what the preview will look like. They'll pull it up. But when it works. Boom. That took a minute. Usually it's faster than that. So it's probably because my computer, I got a lot of stuff I'm running in the background. So this a preview of my website. This is an old website. And I'm actually, I don't even use this one anymore, but this is an old website. Basically a capture page, landing page. So great. Okay, cool. I'm going to go back. Did you sign up on your website? If you didn't, so I can basically go through the whole step, so I can actually see the process. That's what they're doing. So they want me to go to there and actually see the process. So sign up. They want me to sign up. Okay, boom, cool. All right, great. There we go. Awesome. That was the capture page I did. I did it. Okay, awesome. See, it's literally walking you through each step. This is awesome. So you really can't get lost. As long as you're following the instructions that it's giving you, you're good. Click and save. And that's it. That's the website tutorial. So each one has its own tutorial. So it goes from website, duplicate website, find your referral link. If you are referring this to people, I highly recommend, if you have friends that are business owners or whoever needs to market something, recommend this to them. Refer this to them because you're going to love it. And why not share something that you love? And you get paid for doing it too. It's great. That's a great way to get your marketing for free. So that one, you got that one. Share a website template, create new website, add new. List goes on and on. Add a custom code, how to join a team, change your profile picture, password, affiliate agreement, access billing information, delete contact. And there's going to be adding more and more and more to this list, guys. It's just lovely. It'll be so convenient and efficient to get this done. And they listen. That's the thing about this. I mean, a lot of people was having a lot of issues with when it comes to just going through the steps. And even though they tried to, at one point they tried to force the onboarding, and it was like, nah, it doesn't make sense. You have full control on how you onboard with this one. That's what's nice about this new setup of their onboarding. So you don't get lost. You actually can go back and look at something if you want to. And it's nice because you can actually go at your own pace. So if you just want to build a whole bunch of websites, you can do that. If you want to do the 3-click marketing, you can do that. But you have everything there that you can click on and go to. Now, like I said, if that still isn't good enough that hey, well, yeah, I get that, but sometimes I have adult ADD and I just I don't really want to focus on that one. I want to get stuff now. And no offense if you have ADD, not making any fun of anybody, but they have another system, the support system. Pull this out, boom. You can click on the little, this right here, chat right there. You can actually chat with people live, and so you can actually do a chat with them, or you can actually go to live support, start a video call. They have live video Zoom support. Love it, guys. So I've never worked with a company or used a company or paid for a product or service that offered live video Zoom chat. That I can show them what my issue is rather than try to explain technical stuff and get confused and frustrated because they don't understand what I'm talking about. But boom, here we go. I can just hey, let me share my screen with you. This is what I'm trying to do. I don't know how to do it. Can you help me out? Yeah, absolutely. Great. So unless you have some major issue with it, I mean, they can help you out, and even then they push up, escalate to support to the text, and text usually fix it right then and there within I would say a day, if that. So yeah, guys, so that's onboarding with Nowsite and where to get started. Hopefully this is not too long for you, but honestly, guys, this is going to be very beneficial to you when it comes to getting started with Nowsite. You don't want to miss out on it. Please watch this whole video and go from there. Also, if you haven't yet, please, you know that big red button below? Go ahead and hit that big red button, and right next to it is a little bell. Yes, that big red button and little bell will make you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you got value from this video, hopefully you did, YouTube will send you a notification anytime I put out any new content saying, hey, Ryan Depaul just made a new video. You may want to check him out because you like this last one. So with that, guys, I'm going to end this video. So until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.